In today's video, we're going to be talking about how testing websites can make you up to $2,000. First thing we're going to be sharing with you guys is which websites are going to make this possible for you. And the next thing we're going to be showing you guys is the step-by-step tutorial on how you can become successful with our method for today. As always, and as it always should be, our method for today can be accessed from all over the world, even in the most remote parts of the world. And it's 100% free, so you won't have to worry about investing any money or paying any fees whatsoever because it's free, like I just said. It also works great for beginners because you won't even need any skills or prior experience for today's method. All you need to do is press a few buttons, and from that, you're going to make money. Like I mentioned, we're going to be walking you through the whole process step by step, and we're also going to be dropping some tips and tricks for you guys to make the most money. So make sure that you watch throughout this whole entire video from start to finish so that you won't get confused about today's method. And make sure that you don't skip a part so you don't miss any important details, because if you do miss important details, then chances are you won't get your desired results. Before we get right into today's video, if it's your first time in the channel, welcome to the Money Shark channel. In this channel, we upload videos on how to make money online so you can try them out for yourself and start making your own money. If you want to be a part of this channel, then don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to be a part of our Making Money Online journey, and hit the notification bell beside it to be the first to know whenever we upload a brand new video. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. So go ahead and open up Validately.com, and this website has been in partnership with the biggest names in the industry for a long time, like Google, Amazon, Microsoft, and a lot more. And this just goes to show that this website is something you can trust and something that you can rely on. This website will also literally pay you real cold hard cash for the work that we're about to show you. Not points, not gift cards, but a real PayPal payment, which is great. They have a 5-star rating on Glassdoor, which means that this website is not here to play at all. When you click on Get Paid to Test, you're going to be taken to here. And as you can see, it says, test websites, make money. It's that simple. How does it work? Step 1 is to sign up. Step 2 is to start taking tests. And step 3 is to start getting paid. That's literally it. When you begin the signing up process, it's going to take you to here. And what we want you to do is click on create an account. Then they're going to be asking you 15 questions wherein you're going to have to answer, obviously, in order to complete signing up and start getting paid. And what you want to do is answer the questions like you normally would, since these are all questions about you. But there are some specific ones that need answers, so we're going to get into that. To our newcomers, where are you guys from? We'd love to know. So make sure that you comment that down below and let us know what you love about the channel so far. Now let's continue. I'll go through the questions with you and give you some answers that you have to actually follow and copy, because it'll greatly contribute to getting accepted. Question number 1 is, what type of mobile device do you own? You can choose whatever you already have. Question number 2 is, what type of computer do you have? Just choose whatever computer you already have again. Question number 3 is, what version of Windows do you use? Again, just choose what you're already on or what you already have. Then proceed with your gender, the year you were born in, your level of education, and what we want you to choose for a higher paying option is college graduate. Even if you're really not, because they won't need to fact check you or anything, so just choose college graduate nonetheless, even if you're not. Question number 7 is, what is your employment status? And you can just put in full-time, and then what industry you work in, and you make sure you choose administration staff because that's what's most reliable. Then, what's your annual household income? Then just choose what your annual household income is. Then your name, your email, your PayPal email, a password, and last but not the least, your time zone, and voila, just like that, you've answered all of the questions. Just make sure that the ones I had specific answers to, you copy so that you'll get a better chance at getting accepted. If you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet, and hit the notification bell beside it to be notified every time we upload a brand new video. Now let's continue. Once you've answered all of the 15 questions, you're now going to have to verify your email address. So just look for an email like this, basically to verify that your email address is a working one. Just click on the link and your account should be activated just like that. After the verification process, you're then going to be asked to undergo a screener test, which is part of the whole application process. And we're going to show you how you can go about it, and we're also going to be talking about how you're going to be making money on this website. This screener test only takes 1 minute or even less, and basically they have a checklist laid out for you to make sure that you're preparing the correct settings for a successful screener test. Now remember that you can actually do this on either your computer or your mobile phone. So if you don't have any computer, then you have absolutely nothing to be worried about because you can just do this on your phone. So to initiate the screener test, just click on this Take the Screener Test Now, and that should take you to here. Now all you need to do is just go through the process as per instruction. It's literally so easy, and as soon as you've completed the screener test, if you were approved and accepted, then you can start making money right away. That's basically it for our method for today. But we just have to stress, and we will continue to stress, that everything that we specifically taught you, you must follow, or else that's going to lessen your chances of actually getting accepted and earning. That's why it's important that you finished today's video, because a lot of the details about our method for today in particular were very specific and needed to be followed along closely by. Before wrapping things up, let's have a little recap. First things first, open up validately.com and go through the entire webpage. Then start the registration process. Answer all 15 questions correctly and completely, especially the questions with specific answers. Then verify your email. Then take the screener test. And just like that, if you get accepted, which you will if you follow everything in our video for today, you're going to be able to start testing websites. And then you're going to get paid in less than a second. And that is basically everything for today's method. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below to show your love and support for this video. Also, smash that subscribe button down below to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that either. And make sure to click the notification bell beside it to be the first to know when we upload a brand new video on how to make more money online through different methods. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you in the next one.